What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today's song, we're just going to be using 4 chords, so let's get started. Alright, the first chord is going to be a D, then an A, then a D, 9 or 7, and then we're going to use G. Okay, so D, A, D minor 7, and G. Alright, the strum pattern, very easy. We're just gonna go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're also gonna add in some accents to it, so it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that is how you play it. Those are the chords. But thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this made it easy to learn. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.